Hello, everyone. This is Joseph Zabrowski. I just have to share this. I mean, if you're not aware of it, if you're on my team or you're just out there, you're not on my team, you know, Bitcoin, my friends, is 75.50 right now. Okay, it went from 6 to 7,000 like grease through a hot tin, and now it's like it's on a mission to hit 8,000. I'm just reiterating. I mean, this is serious movement. And I just want to remind you that, at the beginning of the year, $1,000 Bitcoin. Over 10 months later, you're at 75.50. Okay. It has hit all of its extremely short-term forecasts. They were talking, doubling, tripling, possibly quadrupling this year. And we are on the way to doubling the quadrupling when it hits 8,000. I had also expressed to you, this video is pretty much a reminder because I've expressed all this in former videos. But I've expressed to you in the past that historically, Bitcoin goes up during the Christmas season. Okay? We just hopped into November here and it's moving like a locomotive. Okay? It looks like it's trying to reach 10,000 or something. I don't know. It can do anything. But it could go back down after I say this. But that's what it looks like it's trying to do. Historically, it will correct. The markets will correct after the first of the year. Okay? But this is serious stuff. Keep in mind, after this year's forecast, they're talking 2018, they've been talking about for a while $25,000 Bitcoin. Okay? They're talking the next 5 to 10 years, 100,000 to $1,000,000 Bitcoin. Okay? Also, another reminder, there's presently 16.5 to 17 million Bitcoin in the world economy. They're capping it at 21 million. Okay? These are all fundamentals that I'm sharing with you. That means that there's only a 4.5 million, there's 4.5 million Bitcoins that are going to go into the world economy over the next 100 years or so. But the kicker is that in the next 10 years, that $4.5 million of Bitcoin, or 4.5 million Bitcoin, are going, 99% of them are going to be distributed in the world economy over the next 10 years. Thus, the 90 years that follow, only 1% of the 4.5 million Bitcoin are going to be distributed over the remaining 90 years. It means these next 10 years are key. And you're seeing the price fly. As I said, it could go down in a minute or two. It could go down tomorrow. I don't know. Nobody knows. But the point that I'm making, big picture, all of the forecasts in the past, that's why I started out with this year, 2017. Started out at 1,000, is moving toward 8,000. Almost 800%, 750% movement in 10 months. The point that I'm making is that, okay, if the original forecasts are far exceeding, those particular forecasts, then it would make sense that it's a possibility that the forecast in the short term for 2018 could be exceeded as well. And it could also be an indication that the longer term or mid to long term forecast of, next 5 to 10 years, 100,000 or $1,000,000 Bitcoin could also conceivably be reached. That's the point that I'm making. I'm just looking at it from the outside, big picture, common sense, being reasonable. Everything that I've just stated is reasonable. It's a reasonable thought. It could very well, at this point, it's a reasonable truth, okay? Because, as you can see on the screen, 75.41. It's done what it's forecasted to do. So, if you want a way to leverage this Bitcoin that's flying, okay, in a very clean and passive way, where you will earn, get your gains when the price of Bitcoin goes up. And on top of it, you will get 1% per day on average, additionally to Bitcoin moving up. And a company that allows you to compound your Bitcoin earnings just like a bank. Albert Einstein talked about the power of compounding. One of the smartest guys in history. a genius, talked about the power of compounding. Okay, if you want to leverage this so that you can just purchase Bitcoin packs and earn that 1%, and then on top of it, have that 1% grow mightily as Bitcoin continues to fly upward, and have the ability to compound your earnings, and even have the ability to build your own team. If you don't want to do it just passively, if you don't want to just earn passive income, we also give you the ability to build your own network or team underneath you where your income can increase leaps and bounds. It's the best business online, my friends. If you were to put all the businesses online this very second, firmly believe that USI Tech is the best business in the world, online business in the world right now. And I believe it because the timing is perfect. It is absolutely perfect. And that's one of the big reasons it's the very best business online right now. Nowhere else will you be able to, if you want to build a team where everybody who participates makes money, everyone. And you look at the history of this company, you look at the founders of this company, research them, look at their past, and I've explained it numerous times. Okay? They have a track record of being solid. Horst Zicke has been involved with 3 companies that were billion-dollar companies and went public, and his desire for USI Tech is to make it a $2 billion company in the next 2 years that goes public. They're releasing their own cryptocurrency, as I stated in former videos. This is an amazing opportunity. The link to start is below this video. I will also put over here on the right, the last 20 seconds of this video, you can click the box that says Leverage Bitcoin and you can get started. I'm here for you. There's tons of bonuses when you join our team. We have the best team in USI Tech. We have 18 millionaires in 10 months in USI Tech, okay? And I think it's 12 to 15 of those millionaires are on our team. Okay, there's a reason for that because we have the best team. And I give you a marketing training bonus. It's a $497 bonus when you purchase your first pack. I also we give you cryptocurrency training as well if you desire to do that to diversify your income streams. We're very deep in terms of knowledge. My direct sponsor is an expert in cryptocurrency. The sponsor above him is a multi-million-dollar earner who knows every detail about the business. We have 2 webinars per week where our multi-million-dollar earner is on there. And if he's not there, then the rest of our team is there giving presentations so that you can bring your prospects to this business. It's always there every week, Wednesday and Sunday, 9 p.m. Eastern. We answer all questions. Everything is here is just everything's designed for you to be successful. Whether you want to earn passively, whether you want to start out with 1 Bitcoin pack at 60 bucks, or whether you want to invest $100,000 and create an income for yourself. This is one of the most beautiful things about this business is that you can create your own income just by deciding that I'm going to purchase so many packs. I'm going to purchase, $20,000 worth of packs, and I've already created an income for myself that's just going to get bigger and bigger as I move forward. If you want to see my income proof, I'd be happy to share it with you. We're a real company. We don't allow just making claims online about incomes in any old way. So if you want to see my income, I can privately show it to you. I'd be happy to do that. Just contact me. I'll put my phone number below this video. That is it, my friends. Timing is being executed right now. The infancy of the new stock market with a focus on the key cryptocurrency in the infancy of that new stock market, which is Bitcoin. Take care and God bless.